RC Trumpets Gars turnaround as outflows slow to £10.6 billion. Aberdeen Standard Investments has flagged improving performance for its global absolute return strategies as outflows at the mega fund slowed.The £4.5 billion ASI Gars strategy was still the biggest single source of net outflows last year, with clients pulling £10.6 billion from the fund, according to RC's annual results. But this was down 40% from 2018 when it leaked £16.7 billion. Excluding the loss of the £41 billion Lloyds mandate that was awarded to Schroders, net outflows across the board shrank to £17.4 billion in 2019, a 60% drop from the £41.9 billion it haemorrhaged the year prior. RC said the net outflows reflected pessimistic investor sentiment toward emerging markets and equities, as well as weak performance from its equity and multi-asset strategies in 2018. In 2019, the fund group said 60% of total assets under management were ahead of benchmark over 3 years on a gross fee basis. Alongside Gars and its multi-asset strategies, RC said its fixed income, cash/liquidity and alternative strategies had also delivered stronger performance last year. Gars pulls ahead of rival funds. The outflows for its mega absolute return fund come despite a recent turnaround in performance.Over. 1 year Gars has returned 7.1%, putting it in the top quartile of peers in the year-targeted return sector. It is now ahead of the sector average over most time horizons apart from on a 5-year view.Gars versus year-targeted return sector 1Y3 Y5 Y10 Gars 7. 105, 361, 1438. 90 year-targeted return 1. 321, 674, 9022. 45 Source: FundinfoGars. Reversal of fortunes comes as other behemoths in the year-targeted return sector continue to suffer. It now finds itself ahead of the £9.5 billion Invesco Global Targeted Returns Fund and the $2.5 billion, £1.9 billion, Merian Global Equity Absolute Return, the latter which has slumped into negative territory over 1, 3 and 5 years. But it is still lagging behind the BNY Mellon Real Return Fund and on par with Aviva Investors Multi-Strategy Target Return Fund. Gars rivals performance 1Y3 Y5 and Invesco Global Targeted Returns 5.261.927.07 Merian Global Equity Absolute Return 13.22 to 13.90 to 5.8636.89 BNY Mellon Real Return 7.1515.3841.20 Aviva Investors Multi-Street Target 8.542.894.88 Source: FundinfoGars Chief Exec cautions on coronavirus turbulence in its results. RC said persistent outflows had led to a 13% drop in revenue generated from fees to £1.6 billion. This in turn dragged down pre-tax profits by 10% to £584 million. RC ended 2019 with lower assets under management and administration of £544.6 billion, down from £551.5 billion the year before. But parent company Standard Life Aberdeen's share price rose 5% to 251p on the back of the results which were better than analysts expected. Chief Executive Keith Skeoch said the group remained on track to deliver on its targets next year despite the increased volatility from the coronavirus outbreak. We have seen G. For more on this story, visit the news article link.